Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you need to do for the upcoming petal update that's coming up today, or whatever it is, whatever the time is for you guys. Anyways, you'll need to farm a lot of cash. So I'm just in my private server here. It is very helpful if you want to collect cash because people won't be there to collect the cash, I guess. And you'll have more cash to farm. You can also purchase it here under the obviously paying currency tab. You'll need here's what I heard from Twitter and stuff like that, but you will need around 70 to 80,000 cash to buy items. Like even my 40,000 is not enough. Well, almost 50. Why isn't the cash spawning? Here you go. So I'm just going to spend all day walking around in my private server. So I suggest you guys do that too. If you don't have a private server, you can just play normal mode or the free play mode and go around to get some cash. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!